iChristmas ifike msinya kwiintsapho ezingafikeleliyo zaseBooysens ezifumene iipasile zokutya ezivela kwibandla iSouth African Faith Bible International Church namhlanje. Eli nyathelo laminyaka le libonelela ngoncedo olufunekayo kwiintsapho ezitsala nzima ngaphambili kwexesha leziyunguma ukuqaqambisa ukuzinikela kwecawe ekubuyiseleni kuluntu.
Ibandla eSouth Africa Faith Bible International lilulele isandla emphakathini yohlwempu osukwini lwangolwesithathu njengoba sibheke emaholidini aKhisimusi. Kanti umfundisi waleli bandla ubesehlube indlube ekhasini ngalolu uhlelo.
We are approaching Christmas. Because of Christmas we are going to donate food parcels for Booysens community members. South Africa is our second home. As I said earlier, we do have great respect and honor for the people of South Africa. That's why we are helping the community today. First, charity work. We are working charity work all over South Africa the last 18 years. Also, we are donating different kind of food parcels, oil and clothes for the community of Booysens. It is one part of gospel. According to the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 25, Jesus commands us to help in need of our help.
Khona manjalo othe wasihlomulela kulolu uhlelo ubonge wancuncuza wasezandla zidlule ikhanda njengoba ethe wayihlomulela ukudla nezingubo zokugqoka kulamaholide kaKhisimusi.
Sicela ukubonga for abantu ichurch lezesenzele for ukunikeza ama food parcel ecommunity yethu, so sibonga kakhulu for everything abasenzele yona. Danko.
Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngingunobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseBooysens.